The bubble is a decorative stitch usually worked with stockinette stitch. To do so, you have to cast on an odd number of stitches, so you can place the bubble so they don't go on top of each other. We will leave a few stitches between each bubble. Start by knitting the first 3 stitches, and on the 4th, make the bubble. To make the bubble, you will have to work 3 stitches on the same stitch. Knit 1 stitch, and without passing the stitch to the right hand needle, pass the strand to the front of the work and purl that stitch. Without passing the stitch to the right hand needle, pass the strand behind the work and knit that stitch again. Pass it through the right hand needle. Now you'll have 3 stitches, a knit stitch, a purl stitch, and a knit stitch. Turn the work around and purl these 3 stitches. Turn the work around and knit these 3 stitches. Turn the work again and purl these 3 stitches. Turn the work around, and this would be the 4th bubble row. Knit the 3 stitches together to close the bubble, so there's only 1 stitch left. You have now made a bubble. Knit 3 stitches and make another bubble. Work 3 stitches on the same stitch. Knit 1, and without passing it through the right hand needle, pass the strand to the front of the work and purl that stitch. Without dropping the stitch, pass the strand behind the work and knit that stitch again. Now you can pass it through the right hand needle. Now you have 3 stitches. Turn the work around and purl these 3 stitches. Turn the work around and knit them. Turn the work again and purl them. Turn the work around and knit the 3 stitches together to close the bubble. Knit the remaining stitches on the row. On the wrong side row, purl all stitches. Work a few rows between the bubble rows so you can clearly see them.